want to talk about a topic which I'm sure concerns many of you, hiring managers, directors, VPs, CEOs, presidents, owners, and the topic is how to hire the right person. I'm sure you would have wondered about it many times in your life. You can of course Google the topic, find close to 100,000 links for that, search results for that. Go to a bookstore, find management books. Good luck sifting through all that information. Or you can choose to listen to someone like me, who in his career spanning 3 decades would have directly or indirectly hired thousands of people. There's a very interesting resource I will recommend. It's a very insightful yet funny talk by Simon Sinek on YouTube titled Performance versus Trust, where he was talking about his conversation with Navy SEAL 6 team, which by far has the best team in the world. The crux of the talk is that they said that at any given time they will prefer a person who is ranked high on trust, even if he is medium or low in performance, versus a person who is high on performance or low on trust. Of course, makes sense. But how does one gauge trustworthiness of a person during an interview? I mean, how can you gauge whether you can trust your life or wife to a person during an interview, as very funnily he also mentioned? So in my view, I would look at 2 things. Of course, one is the hard skill, the suitability of the person to the particular role, and the second is the leadership skill. So one may ask, why leadership skill? I'm not looking for a front desk clerk or a coder, or someone who has nothing, who doesn't have to lead. Leadership to me doesn't mean just that you are marching forward with a bunch of people behind you. Leadership is something you can exhibit, or you need to exhibit, in every single situation in your life. It is how you drive, how you walk, how you eat, how you live your life. It's how well you have led yourself through various situations. That to me, that is something you can easily gauge in an interview. Does the person have victim mentality, where he tends to blame others versus others' situation or his upbringing, his circumstances, or he utilizes above those things to lead himself out of those situations to a brighter tomorrow? Now, that to me is a quality worth paying for. I would hire a person with those kind of qualities in a heartbeat. Would you? Thank you.